students from Sri Satyasai Gurukula Vidya Niketan, Bechangi, Telangana. I am M. Archit, studying 7th standard.
This is S. Dikshit, studying 7th standard.
This is M. Manikanta, studying 9th standard.
This is B. Satvik, studying 8th standard.
This is A. Nishantan Reddy, studying 9th standard.
Today our topic is agriculture.
Our Bharat plays a vital role in agriculture. Yes, it is a main source for millions of people. Nearly 47% of our Indian population depends on agriculture for livelihood. 55% are directly or indirectly involved in agriculture.
Our Bharatiyas are fed by different crops cultivated in agriculture country. We are based on agriculture.
It is done in 3 seasons: Kharif, Rabi, Zaid. Do you observe? Most of our festivals are celebrated based on the harvest seasons like Sankranti, Vasanta Panchami, Baisakhi, and etc.
Bharat, during British rule, the farmers
Directly. The major problem faced by the farmers are like lack of infrastructure, lack of insurance, uncertain water, right, and supply.
Now, using the advanced technology, all the countries are able to store their produce with an extraordinary infrastructure in their country. They can store more and more produce which is produced in the farms, and they can store even more and more, starting from small farmers to the high farmers and landlords. They can store each and every single grain in their store.
Once, farmer used to cultivate the crop and sell them by foot or bicycle. But now, there is advanced transport facility for every farmer. Due to this transport facility, farmers can sell their crop at better price.
Farmers need capital to get their businesses off the ground. They need capital and money to get their businesses into the market. If there is lack in finance, then there will be effect in productivity and production of agriculture.
Farmers are getting loans from banks and using to put on a new business. Farmers are growing crop efficiently for agriculture.
Soil erosion is one more problematic thing for a farmer. During floods, the top layer of the soil was removed very quickly, and farmers have to get huge loss, and there will be loss for several years because of one soil erosion. They will have so much of loss.
Every year, millions of hectares was lost due to soil erosion. But the government is take up the chance and producing and giving chances to the farmers, and it can help the farmers in non-agricultural activities.
All these problems can be solved. How? By using the same farmers organizations. There are so many organizations in each and every village. They are farmers organizations where they can discuss and ensure about their problems, and they can take a security for their food produce, which is stored in huge storage buildings and huge buildings.
Our farmers are using modern technology to propel in agriculture and proceed into 21st century.
Jai Bharat, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.